Hey guys, Bullish Breed back with the trade recap. Today was a pretty good day. Had one trade today. Let me take you through it. So to start this day off, just got to draw out some levels for you. We had this pre-market high of 4584, and then we had yesterday's low of about 4545. So if we take a look at just pre-market action, we see that we pushed up in pre-market and then we started to fade, right? We had some intermediate support right here. We had one touch, two touch, three touch, four touch, maybe like 5 or 6 touches in this area, and then we broke it right here around 7:30. We came up and we retested this area or pretty close to it, and we pushed down again. So off the open, what I was looking for is I wanted to push up, right, into this level and then fade back down. But what happened was we immediately pushed down and then we pushed back up. So as we're pushing up off the first 15 minutes, I thought to myself, I really would like to get short, but price action is telling me to get long because I originally like to take shorts off of these areas like this off the first 5 minutes. So let me just zoom into the first 5 minutes. So the first 5 minutes, this is what I would like to see for me to take a short because I went long, right? So this is the first 5 minutes. We push up here and then we immediately push down. So the reason why I didn't take this, didn't want to take a short right here is because I wanted this first 5-10 minutes to just immediately push up. Immediately push up to here and then take it back down. We didn't do that. We faded, then we pushed up, right? Came back down, retested the area, double bottomed, pushed up. And so when we got in this area, I figured, all right, I'm going to try to get long, right? I know we got some room up to this 4584. Price action has been showing that it's bottoming. So I got long and I took it up and the risk to reward was there. I mean, we got all the way up to 4582, so about a 10-point move. I had a 5-point stop in this area right here. And, it worked really well. It's definitely a tough trade because it could have easily faded back down. But with price action showing me that we're going up, going long ended up being the right move. So, it's difficult because it's such a big level where it could go either way. And it's tough to decide on whether to go short because you want to short at resistance, right? This was support that now turns into resistance, so you should short there. But price action in the morning around like 9:30 was showing me that we were bottoming off of this area down here and that it was likely that we were going to push through this level, right? A better scenario would have been off the first 5-10 minutes, we immediately just push up into that level, and that's when it would be a good short. But since we pushed down, bottomed, there was a lot of buying volume going on, it just made more sense to send it on the upside. Another thing I forgot to mention is that I put on a swing, so it's not doing well at all. I'm just gonna recap it. It was a Tesla swing, and I don't know why I didn't go short. I really should have. I have this trend line from over here. There's one touch, two touch, and then we hit it, and I don't know why I did that, bro. I went long right in this area. See, close on 15 minutes. In this area, right here, I went long. And, we clearly rejected that trend line. I don't know why I went long. The puts would have printed. I had calls. I'm doing a 1K challenge, and I only had one contract, but got absolutely toasted on this bad boy. So, the only thing I could say that what I did wrong was that I didn't. I shouldn't have taken it with such a big overhead resistance because if you see, like, we're on the daily time frame, like, we're just in this channel. We're in this channel right here. We're this descending trend line, another descending trend line. Like, we're just chopping around right here. And, like, I saw this breakout from the day before. We had the Cybertruck event on Thursday. I figured, okay, let's try it for a breakout attempt. I know we had this 280, 290 gap. So, if we got some kind of news from the Cybertruck, and I thought with some volume, could have taken it easily back up to this 270, but looking at it, I should have probably waited until we got above this trend line